First off, we're going to start out with these tower game blocks that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I also have some mirror tile, some FIXALL glue from Dollar Tree, some Gorilla Glue. We also have this crystal knob, an X-Acto knife, some foam board, and some tape. We're going to glue 36 blocks together, and that's going to be 4 rows with 9 blocks stacked on 4 separate rows. And we're going to glue all of those together using the Dollar Tree FIXALL. Once it's all dried, you'll have something that looks like this. I pre-cut the mirror tiles that's going to be glued to the base of my perfume bottle. I glued the mirror tiles on the back of the base, and as you can see, I still have a little bit of room here. So I'm going to add some of the Dollar Tree foam board to fill in that space, just like this. And I'm going to use the Dollar Tree FIXALL to glue that in place. Now glue the other panel of mirror tiles on the other side. Now add your end tiles, again using the Dollar Tree FIXALL glue. Now cut and measure more tiles to apply to the very top of your box. Once you're satisfied with the measurement, go ahead and add more FIXALL glue and glue this piece down as well. Once you're done with that, you should have something that looks like this. Now use the Gorilla Glue to glue the knob down to the base. I decided, because I have a slight gap, that I want to go ahead and trim this out using some of the Dollar Tree bling. And this is what it looks like. I glued down a mirror that I had from a previous DIY to complete the look. I reinforced it with some tape, let it set up, and I'll show you what it looks like later on in the video. Now we have 3 more of those mirrors along with some Dollar Tree blocks. Glue those mirrors together with the glue of your choice. I'm using the Gorilla Glue. Reinforce it with some tape and set it aside to dry. Once the glue sets up, you'll have something that looks like this. Now we're going to take more of the FIXALL glue, glue 4 sets of 3 blocks all the way around. Use one of the mirror tiles to adjust the space between the edge of the mirrors and the blocks to make sure that the mirror tile will fit. Now set that aside to dry. The blocks are now glued to the mirror, so let's go on to the next steps. Start out by gluing 2 of the side pieces onto the base and use something to hold them in place. Add more glue and then add the second panel of mirrors. Add some weight and then add some tape and let it set up until it dries. Remove the tape after the glue has set up. I have a little bit of a lip right here, so this is where I'm going to add the last mirror, and this will be the top of the perfume bottle. Now set that aside to dry. Glue 9 of the blocks together to make the top for your perfume bottle. When the top is dry, decorate it to your liking. Here I added some of the small mirror tiles to the top. I've decided to add some mesh bling to the sides of the top, but before I do that, I'm going to brush on this acrylic silver paint. And this is what it looks like after 3 coats of paint. After painting the sides, I decided to add 1 row of the mirror tiles around the top. Glue the mesh bling on using some of the Dollar Tree FIXALL. Now set this aside to dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. I'm using 2 of the glass Dollar Tree gems to create a neck that'll fit between the bottle top and the bottle itself. Now I'll set this aside to dry. Now let's get started on our third perfume bottle. We're going to take a total of 28 blocks and glue them together. And that would be 4 sets of 7 blocks. This time around, I'll be using the rose gold mirror tiles. As you can see, I've already partially covered my block. All you need to do is just line up your block with the rose gold mirror tiles, use your X-Acto knife, and cut out the shape. Peel the backing off the mirror tiles, apply some additional glue, and lay the towel in place. Add some tape to hold the towels in place, and then add your top layer of mirror tiles. Apply tape to the top as well, and then set it aside to dry. I used 10 blocks to make the top for this bottle. I glued 8 blocks together, and then 2 at the very bottom to create a neck. Now I'll take this outside and spray paint it with this rose gold spray paint. While this drying, go back to the second bottle, take the top and glue it to the bottom using the Gorilla Glue. Once you have it centered, go ahead and add some tape to hold it in place while the glue sets up. The rose gold paint is now dry. Using some of the Dollar Tree FIXALL glue, I'll add some rose gold bling to the top. As you can see, the rose gold background accents the rose gold bling perfectly. Now remove the tape from the base and glue the top on using the Gorilla Glue. Now secure the top down to the base using more tape, and we're done. I'll let all 3 bottles set up overnight. And here are my finished bottles. I think all 3 turned out beautiful, glamorous, and blingy. These bottles would blend in perfectly with other decorative perfume bottles that you might have. Comment below your favorite and if you plan to make any of these. I really would like to hear from you guys. This concludes my DIY for today, and I've decided to continue to do multiple DIYs in one video, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.